English Listening Practice. Episode 1. Learn Language the Easy Way. Hello and welcome. It's great to have you here for the first episode of Daily English Moments. My name is Emily, and I'll be your host. This is for you if you're just starting to learn English. I will speak slowly and clearly to help you understand every word. Today, we're going to talk about how you can start learning English and have a good time while you do it. Learning a new language might feel hard at first, but with small steps, you will get better every day. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Believe in yourself. The first important step is to believe in yourself. Maybe you think, English is too difficult for me, or I can't do this. But I want you to know something. You can learn English. Everyone starts as a beginner. Even the best English speakers were once learners just like you. All you need is time, a little work, and patience. Think about why you want to learn English. Maybe you want to travel, meet new people, or get a better job. These goals can help you stay motivated. Remember, every little step you take brings you closer to your goal. If you feel nervous about speaking or making mistakes, don't worry. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. Be kind to yourself and be proud of your progress. Here's an example. Imagine you want to say, I like to read. But you say, I like to reading. That's okay. You learned that read is the correct word, and next time you will say it correctly. Every mistake helps you grow. Even the most fluent speakers still make mistakes sometimes. So don't be too hard on yourself. Part 2. Start with small steps. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. Start with small, easy steps. For example, you can learn 5 new words every day. Write them down and say them out loud. Use these words in sentences to help you remember them. Let's try this together. Imagine you learn these 5 words: book, chair, smile, happy, and food. You can make sentences like this. I have a new book. Please sit on the chair. I see your smile. He is a happy boy. The food is delicious. Another simple step is to practice listening. You can listen to English songs, podcasts, or videos. Even if you don't understand everything, it's okay. Your brain is getting used to the sounds of English. After some time, you will understand more and more. You can also try using flashcards. Write the English word on one side and the translation in your language on the other. Look at these flashcards when you have free time. Small actions like this can build your vocabulary quickly. Reading is also a great way to learn. Start with short stories or simple books. If you see a new word, try to guess what it means from the sentence. Then, look it up in a dictionary. This will help you learn new words and how to use them. For example, if you read, the dog is on the blanket, and you don't know the word blanket, you can guess it means something the dog is sitting on. Part 3. Practice every day. The most important thing for learning English is to practice a little every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes can make a big difference. You can write a short diary in English. Write about your day or your plans for tomorrow. For example, today I went to the park. It was sunny and warm. Watch a short English video and try to repeat some sentences. If you hear, "What's your name?" pause the video and say it yourself. You can also talk to yourself in English. For example, say, I am cooking dinner, or I need to go to the store. This helps you think in English. Daily practice helps your brain remember what you learn. It's like exercise for your language skills. The more you practice, the stronger your skills will become. Remember, learning a language is like planting a tree. You won't see results in one day. But with care and time, it will grow tall and strong. Part 4. Find fun ways to learn. Learning English should be fun. Find activities you enjoy. For example, play games in English, like word puzzles or language apps. Apps like Duolingo make learning feel like a game. You can earn points and set goals. Watch your favorite movies or shows with English subtitles. For example, if you like cartoons, watch them in English. You will hear simple words and sentences. Sing along to English songs. Music makes learning fun and helps with your pronunciation. Try singing Happy Birthday or other simple songs. You can also try to connect English learning with your hobbies. If you like to cook, read recipes in English. For example, search for how to make pancakes and follow the instructions. If you enjoy sports, watch games with English commentary. Learning is easier when you enjoy the process. Don't forget to celebrate your progress. Give yourself a treat when you achieve a goal, like learning a new set of words. Maybe enjoy your favorite snack or listen to a song you love. Part 5. Don't be afraid to speak. Speaking is one of the most important parts of learning English. Many learners feel shy or afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? Or what if people don't understand me? But remember, everyone makes mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will become. Start by speaking to yourself. Practice common phrases like, how are you? Or can you help me? When you feel ready, try speaking to someone else. You can talk to a friend, a teacher, or a language partner online. Speaking helps you feel confident and improves your pronunciation. If you don't know a word, don't worry. Try to explain it in a different way. For example, if you forget the word apple, you can say, a red fruit that is sweet and crunchy. People will understand you, and you will learn as you go. You can also practice by recording your voice. Listen to it and compare it to how native speakers sound. This helps you hear your progress and what you can improve. Part 6. Use technology to help you. Technology can be a great tool for learning English. There are many apps, websites, and videos that can help you. For example, use language apps like Duolingo or Memrise to practice vocabulary and grammar. Watch videos on YouTube that teach English. Some channels focus on grammar, vocabulary, or listening skills. For example, search for Simple English Conversations. Join online groups for English learners. You can ask questions, share tips, and practice with others. You can also use your phone or computer to set reminders for practice. For example, you can set an alarm to remind you to study at the same time every day. This helps you build a good learning habit. Part 7. Learn from your environment. English is everywhere. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can find ways to learn from your environment. For example, look for English words on signs, menus, or product labels. If you see push or pull on a door, remember those words. Change the language on your phone or computer to English. This way, you will see English every time you use it. Write a shopping list or a to-do list in English. For example, write buy milk, eggs, and bread. If you live in an English-speaking country, try to use English in your daily life. Say hello to your neighbors, order food in English, or ask for directions. Every little bit helps. Part 8. Be patient and keep going. Learning a language takes time. You won't become fluent in one day, and that's okay. Celebrate your progress, even if it feels small. For example, if you learn a new word or understand a new sentence, that's a success. Remember, it's normal to feel frustrated sometimes. If you feel stuck, take a break and come back later. Don't give up. Every day you practice, you are improving. Think of language learning as a journey. Sometimes it's easy, and sometimes it's hard. But every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Keep going and you will succeed. Part 9. Practice with real-life scenarios. Let's try practicing English in real-life situations. Imagine you are at a cafe. What could you say? Here's an example. Hello, can I have a coffee, please? How much is it? Thank you. Now imagine you are asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the bus station? How far is it? Can you show me on the map? These simple conversations help you feel confident. Practice them by speaking out loud. You can even role-play with a friend or practice in front of a mirror. Let's quickly review what we talked about today. Believe in yourself and stay motivated. Take small, simple steps like learning a few words every day. Practice regularly, even for just 10 or 15 minutes. Make learning fun by playing games, watching videos, or singing songs. Don't be afraid to speak, even if you make mistakes. Use technology and your environment to support your learning. Be patient and celebrate your progress. Remember, you can learn English. Every little effort you make brings you closer to your goal. Keep practicing and don't forget to enjoy the process. Before we finish, I have a challenge for you. Choose one tip from today's episode and try it. For example, you can learn 5 new words, write a diary entry, or watch an English video. Start small and have fun. If you complete the challenge, tell me about it. You can leave a comment or send me a message. I would love to hear about your progress. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Moments. I hope this episode has inspired you to learn English with confidence and joy. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is also learning English. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode from Daily English Moments. Remember, learning English is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep going, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now and happy learning English.